I'm sorry, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tumnus.
Pleased to meet you, Mr. Tumnus. I'm Lisa Pevensey. Oh, you shake it.
Why?
I don't know. People do it when they meet each other.
So today we are going to play a very important and fundamental pronunciation game. I'm going to show you different clips, celebrities, normal people, and even your job is, of course, to guess, are they native English speakers? Do they have a British accent? Do they have American accent? What type of accent do they speak with? Standard British accent, or a modern RP pronunciation, or even a standard American accent? I will show you these different clips, and of course, here is how it works. I will play the clip, and you will have about 3 to 5 seconds to guess. And then I will reveal the answers, what makes their English sound British, or even what makes their English sound more like a native English speaker. And at the same time, you'll be able to transform your pronunciation and, of course, to sound even more confident and even to sound a little bit more with a British pronunciation, whether that's American pronunciation at the same time. Sounds fun. Let's get started.
I'm sorry, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tumnus.
Pleased to meet you, Mr. Tumnus. I'm Lisa Pevensey. Oh, you shake it.
Why?
I don't know. People do it when they meet each other.
Well, I'm going to place another time, and next time is your last chance to identify or to guess whether these people are sounding British or American.
I'm sorry, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tumnus.
Pleased to meet you, Mr. Tumnus. I'm Lisa Pevensey. Oh, you shake it.
Why?
I don't know. People do it when they meet each other.
Now, he started by sorry. Please allow me to introduce myself. So, this is actually a really, really polite and a fundamental kind of like way to just be polite in the UK. I mean, in the whole world, if native English speakers, they start into the way he says sorry and allow me to introduce myself.
I'm sorry, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tumnus.
Pleased to meet you, Mr. Tumnus. I'm Lisa Pevensey. Oh, you shake it.
Why?
I don't know. People do it when they meet each other.
Pleased to meet you, Miss Pevenson. So, what she's talking about here, she is introducing herself to this person, and she is saying, pleased to meet you. So this is very important expression to know, and it's all about that you're very excited, you're very happy to meet that person. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Like if you meet someone for the very first time, you might say, pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
I don't know. People do it when they meet each other.
Well, now here, this is a very, very common sound in British pronunciation. Is a very common sound. It's called a diphthong. And this is when we combine two vowels together and they become one vowel, and it becomes no, O sounds, okay? So a diphthong. I don't know.
I don't know. People do it when they meet each other.
People do when they meet each other. So, have you noticed by the end of a word, which is the each other, so the words other. So the way she pronounces it, you say other rather than other, because Americans tend to say other, but she said other. Now, what about the second clip, which I'm going to show you? It's going to be a little bit about from a show called Britain Got Talent, and I believe this is quite famous and a very popular TV show where a lot of people, celebrities and many people. So here's the next one for you.
Enough, and it really was Rebecca Ferguson, who plays Jenny Lind, who said, I think that Lauren should sing the song, and I'll lip sync.
So you've sang one of the biggest songs of all time. You've now revealed it wasn't the actress who sang the song in the movie, it was you singing that song. So why didn't you get that big deal after the song?
I was more comfortable singing behind the scenes.
After the song. So after, the way he pronounced the word after. So after. It's not after, it's after. So now, what about definitely this is British versus American? So the first speaker his name is Simon. I think he's definitely British because the way he pronounce and the way he talk, he's a British English speaker. Whether that's another lady where she's one of the performers, I think she's an actor probably, and she's American.
He helped me too. Jackie, you should not say this dialogue. You should say this dialogue. Even the script written, he changed a little bit. And he really watched a lot of playback to see the acting things. And I really, I like him. He's funny person.
Well, now this is his name is Jackie, and he is a kind of like a Chinese person. He's a Chinese celebrity, and he is his English is kind of like sort of American British accent, sort of American involved over there as well. But he's more of a kind of talking the way that is British accent rather than American accent.
You're Callum, Jade's brother. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're Callum. So I think a lot of people in the UK at the moment, in order to say you are, you can say you Callum. So yeah, definitely British.
Jade's brother. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Brother. Instead of saying brother, she say brother. Jade brother. So the word brother in British English, we normally tend to say brother instead of brother. So Americans tend to say brother, but I think this is more of the British pronunciation. So you have to say brother rather than brother.
I love Robin.
Yeah. It's dancing on my own, but it's a bit slower.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, good luck.
I love Robin. So the way they say I love, so definitely British. So Americans tend to say love, but British tend to say I love. So
Dancing on my own, but it's a bit slower.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, good luck.
here the phrase for you. If you do something by your own, that means you are doing it by yourself. Okay? He's singing by his own. So that means I'm singing this, I'm doing a cover, a song by my own. So that means he is literally singing by himself rather than by another person. So you might want to say by my own. So now let me know in the comment section below, which guess did you find it right and which one did you spot it wrong? So let me know in the comment section below.